Offered in Switzerland, this 1962 Jodel D11, registration HB-SVT, is a rare and well-preserved vintage aircraft, now available for €32,000 with Swiss and European VAT paid. This example features the desirable straight-wing configuration, known for improved stability and enjoyable handling. Built by Walter Huetz Flugzeugbau, it represents a classic era of European light aircraft design. The airframe has just under 3,000 hours total time, with complete logbooks. Power comes from a Continental O200A engine built by Rolls-Royce, showing around 225 hours since major overhaul, paired with a Sensonic two-blade propeller. Cruising at 85 knots while burning only 25 litres per hour, it's an efficient and economical flyer. Avionics include an 8.33 VHF radio, Mode S transponder, navigation receiver, and a 406 ELT for VFR operations. Finished in yellow and white with red and black accents, the aircraft is always hangared and presents very well. With gentle handling and timeless character, this Jodel D11 is a true classic, ready to be enjoyed.